Welcome y'all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm just eating like a little TV dinner, steak, rice, and broccoli, doing my homework and drinking some orange juice. And to tell y'all about what happened to me today. So I get to the house after work and there's a freaking bird in my house. It took me 5 hours to get out. But first, listen to this. Yeah, listen to this. I call the manager building, right? I asked to speak to maintenance. I asked to speak to maintenance. I said, it's the second time I done came home and it's a bird in my house. Like, y'all need to send somebody out to get your bird out of my house. Okay. I'm about to walk over to maintenance building now so I can have somebody come to your house. 45 minutes went by. No one showed up. I'm calling. They keep saying they're going to transfer me to maintenance. Ain't happening. Phone just ringing or get disconnected. Right? So, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm eating, talking to y'all, and logging on for my homework. And my shirt guard is lit on it for my sweater. But, yeah, so, calling. I finally get to the manager. Manager like, oh, okay. Well, all the maintenance people is gone for today. I'm going to call our 24-hour maintenance person to see can he come. Never showed up. Call back. The office closed now. It's 6 o'clock. It's closed. I tell y'all, I literally just got in the house, me and my son, and it's 8:51, and I've been at home since 3:50. Yeah, 3:50, and just not getting in the house. My neighbor and a stranger. Well, I'm not gonna say a stranger, but he stay across the street from me. Him, I never met him, but I always see him. Him and my next door neighbor and me got the bird out. Now, mind y'all, I live in a townhouse. Yeah. Then I got hella homework to do tonight. And put my son in the bed, feed him, help him with his homework, and get up in the morning. Yeah. So of course, I might be going to bed super late. And then tonight we had TV dinners, and I wasn't trying to eat TV dinners tonight. I was actually going to cook. And I tell y'all, I'm beyond aggravated. I'm literally beyond aggravated. And I tell y'all, I cussed them the fuck out. I cussed them the fuck out. I told them they kiss my ass, fuck them in the townhouse. Then, I go to the manager, the person over everybody. This bitch gonna have the nerve to ask me, well, is you gonna sign your lease? Your lease is up at the end of the month. If you wanna sign your lease, you need to come in and sign your lease. That's how I feel about that lease right now. Cause I'm not signing it. How about that? I would rather put my stuff in the storage, go live out of a hotel until I find me my baby something else. Go, who wanna keep coming home to this? I will tell y'all, what townhouses it is, but I don't want people showing up in my house, especially now that I'm a YouTuber. Gotta be careful with that. Other than that, I will put this townhouse on blast. I will put it on blast. Trust me. And I want to put it on blast so bad, y'all. I want to put this townhouse on blast so bad. But I can't because I don't want nobody to know where I live at. I want to talk about it so bad. How they some slum landlords. Basically, you got some lazy ass workers. And basically that's what it is. But I pay my rent on time. Everything. Y'all never had no problem on me. No complaints or none of that. And y'all, like, that's how y'all feel? Okay. Alright. Y'all, this orange juice is good. And yes, I'm drinking out the container because I'm the only one to drink it. My son don't care for orange juice. And if he do drink it, he not drinking his brand. And it's one of my favorite brands. And I had a cold and I needed this orange juice to help with my cold too. And I'm very, very tired too. And I'm freezing my butt off for being outside. So, like, I don't know what to tell y'all. But, y'all, that video, oh, y'all, not that video, but that goddamn, lady pissed me off. And then, so this is the second time the bird was in my house. The first time they came out, got it out. He like, oh, I know where it coming from. It coming from your laundry room. Cause I got a built-in laundry room. And he like, oh, it's coming from your laundry room. And, you know, oh, my head is off. But he like, oh, yeah. Excuse me. He like, oh, yeah, it's coming from your laundry room. And yeah, you got like a hole in your little laundry room or whatever. That's why the birds and stuff keep coming in. So I'm like, okay, you about to come fix it. You about to fix it. Since you out here, you about to fix it. Oh no, you gotta call. Oh, hold on. Oh, he like, oh no, you gotta call and put in a maintenance order so it can be fixed. You know what? Okay, put in a maintenance order. Put in three maintenance order, and they keep sticking these papers on my door talking about when they're gonna come out. Alright, I make sure somebody at my house or I'm at home for when they come out. Never show up. Then on top of that, when they asses do show up, guess what? Oh, I'm not here to fix nothing. I'm just here to see what's wrong and then I'm going to come back and fix it. But in the maintenance order, it's telling you what's wrong. I got a freaking hole. Y'all need to plug it up so these goddamn birds can stop coming in my goddamn house. It's point blank and simple. I don't know what to tell you. Nope. Nope, y'all. Still ain't fix it. Still ain't fix it, so y'all know what that means. Next month I'm not paying them and I'm moving. So it is what it is. Because I'm over them. I'm just over them, y'all. I'm over them. I'm tired of them. There's some slum ass landlords, maintenance, whatever you want to call it. I'm over them. So I'm just baffled. I'm just lost for words. Like, I'm baffled. And I'm tired. I'm very tired. My homework could be done. My son could have been 8 in tub and now he done 8 and he on the couch chilling. But he about to go to bed though. I could be in the bed right now, but I'm baffled, y'all. I'm baffled. I'm baffled and I'm over them. I'm baffled. Like, I don't know what to say. Like, oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. Baby. So yeah, and I'm very tired. Excuse me, that's why I keep yawning. Because I'm beyond tired. So I'm about to get ready to close it out. Yeah, so I'm about to get ready to close it out and call it a night. After I do some of my homework, because I got to do my discussion board tonight. Yeah, I just got to comment to 3 people. Then the rest is going to have to wait until tomorrow. But, excuse me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let everybody and anybody know what your girl is doing. And welcome back to the GB family. And I hope everybody have a good, blessed, safe, and weekend. And stay warm, my Cleveland, Ohio people. My Ohio people, stay warm, because it's a mess outside. Oh, and too, before I end this video, the whole time I was outside, it's snowing bad here in Ohio. Like, we in the middle of a thunderstorm. A ice storm at that. A ice storm. We is in the middle of a ice storm. So therefore, it's rain and snow and it's freezing. Like, it's freezing. And I've been out there. That's why I'm so freaking cold. I don't even know if I should get in the shower right now because I'm so freaking cold. But yes, like, that just got on my last nerve. But as I was saying, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and let any and everybody know what your girl is doing. And welcome back to the GB family. And I hope that you enjoyed this family. So good night, and I love you all.